Hello student. In our last video, we discussed about endangered animals and why the animals are endangered. Students, I hope you all have got it. Today, we are going to discuss about a mixed animal quiz. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the clue box. This is a clue box. Firstly, some frogs have long sticky tongue which they use to catch insects. Students, firstly, frogs are small animals with smooth skin and long back legs that is uses for jumping. Frogs live in as near water. Frogs eat insects such as flies, mosquitoes, and dragonflies, grasshoppers, and small snakes. Secondly, the smallest flightless bird in the world is the kiwi. Kiwi is a New Zealand bird with a long beak and short wings that cannot fly. Next, the African wild dogs hunt in group called packs. Wild dogs are endangered animals. African wild dogs are neither walla nor dogs. It is also known as African hunting dogs. Next, the tallest water bird in the world is the flamingo. Flamingo is a large pink and red bird that has long legs and live near water. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feather and S-shaped neck. Next, the dragonfly is an insect which can fly backward, forwards, sideways, and can also hover in the air like a helicopter. Dragonflies have large compound eyes, which is their main sense organ. They have four strong transfer wings and a long body. Next, the bird that can stay in the air up to 2 years at a stretch is the swift. Swift is a super flyer. Next one, the bird whose beak can store more food than its belly is the pelican. Pelicans are a genus of large water birds. Next, the duck-billed platypus and the echidna are the only mammals which lay eggs. Echidnas are actually toothless mammals. Next, the only mammal which can fly in the air like a bird is the bat. Next, the mammals which gather near the sea and commit mass suicide by jumping into it are lemmings. Lemmings is a small, short-tailed, thick-set rodent related to wolf and found in Arctic tundra. Our next chapter is microorganisms. Some living things are so small that we cannot see them with naked eyes. These living beings are called microorganisms or microbes. They become visible to us only when they are enlarged 1,000 times under a microscope. take up the following quiz about the microorganism and find out how much you know about these minute creations. First one, which microwave is considered the most dangerous living thing for humans in the world is protozoa. Second, microwave that causes ringworm infection. Its answer is fungus. Microwave used extensively in the production of bread. Its answer is yes, it is yeast. Microwaves that help milk to turn into curd. It's bacteria. Microwave which decompose dead plant and animal bodies into simpler substances. Substances are collectively collectively called decomposer. Next, microwaves that show signs of life only after entering the body of a host. Its answer is virus. The microwave that causes a disease called chickenpox. Its answer is Varicella zoster. Microwaves that causes food poisoning. Its answer is Salmonella bacteria. Polio drops are given to the children to protect them from polio virus. Last one, what do we call the process of helping the human body to develop immunity against a particular disease causing microbe? Its answer is vaccination. Our last answer is vaccination.